I'm looking a hot mess, but you know what? It is 1:42 in the morning. I'm frustrated. I was trying to edit. I'm chewing this gum super hard, trying to fight bad habits, but I'm frustrated because I just discovered a lot of my footage is inaudible. You can't hear it. So I'm on my baby right now. Let me show y'all. We outside. It's 1:42 in the morning. My clock says 12:42, but I promise it's 1:42 in the morning. I need to reset that time. I'm about to go make a quick store run, and I'm gonna ride. And as you can see, I got my pineapple in my hair, and I put on my helmet. I was like, oh, that's right. I got this updo. So we're gonna just ride like this. I got my jean jacket on. I got my sneakers on. They're pretty clean, and I'm about to mess them up. I don't want to do that. Hold on. I'm crazy. I was trying to find my sock, but I can't find it. And my sneakers are like super clean right now. And you know how the clutch do. I mean, not the clutch, the gear shifter. It marks up the shoe. Is that gonna stay on? It feels pretty snug. This is a bottle holder. Let's see what it do. It's fitting perfectly, so I'm about to make a quick little ride, quick little store run to release my frustration. I'll tell y'all why I'm frustrated. And I told y'all, see? I don't want no advice about giving up smoking. I know what to do. I just don't want to do it. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go into wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow thoughts. I would love a KK donut right now. But they hot sign ain't no. And plus I don't need it. A blessing in disguise. Check out my baby. We made it here in 6 minutes. It usually takes about 10. So like I was saying, frustrated with the editing. But I'm not gonna let it get the best of me. I'm gonna stay up tonight because I'm up and I'm stuck. And I'm gonna finish up the edit. And the video is gonna be out tomorrow. And this video will be out one day. I can't even give a timeline. Ooh. But really, honestly, everything is well, y'all. I got that content coming. I got some good topics I vlogged about. My hairstyle is fading. I'm a little sad. But I think I'm gonna get it done. I gotta take this down because I gotta wear a helmet eventually. My favorite negative coping skill. Ooh, this is actually a good spot right here. Yes, Lord.
2, 3. Cute.
All right, so let's go. Let's get back to where we belong. Oh, hold on. And just like that, I feel 80% better. 20% because I'm hot. But all is well. I'm about to finish up this video and I'll see y'all later. It's your girl, HondaHarleyGurl. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Mwah.